10 ways to maintain a positive and happy outlook. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on the things you are thankful for. It is very important to be grateful. Keeping a gratitude journal can help shift focus to the positive aspects of life and help you focus in being positive. It is very important that we are thankful to people who have done good things for us in life, and we thank them and thank the Almighty for the life that He has given us. Only then it helps us understand the importance of the life given. Surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with those who uplift and encourage you. Positive energy is contagious. It's always great to have a positive circle and positive vibe people around you. They always make you feel happy, make you feel, just be smiling always, and only let you be there with positivity around, and they don't let you sulk in negativity. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress. Even a short walk can boost your spirits. That's why we should make exercising a part of our regime, daily routine that can help us in getting that, mood swings get going in the right direction and boosting our spirits all the time. It also adds on that it keeps us fit. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness helps keep you present and reduce anxiety about the future or regrets about the past. Meditation can also enhance mental clarity and calm. In fact, I always say that meditation is a form of peace of mind that one can get, which you cannot get by doing anything else absolutely. So, if you're practicing mindfulness, it's the best way to be and keeps you happy and positive. Limit negative influences, whether it's social media, news, or people. Reducing the exposure to negativity can help you stay positive. If you feel that you have people around you who make you feel negative and push you towards a lot of negativity and sadness, put yourself away from them and make sure that they are not around you, so that you are able to think positively and avoid that negative vibe from them. Focus on solutions, not problems. When challenges arise, try to focus on what you can control and work towards a solution rather than dwelling on issues. As they say, there is no point in crying over spilt milk. So more we get into the past and try only repeating the same problem, it's not going to give us a solution, but it's only going to increase our negativity and mind. So if we are wanting to be positive, we have to be solution oriented and make sure that we are thinking of a solution and not anything else. Learn something new. Engaging in activities that challenge and excite you can keep your mind sharp and boost self-confidence, which contributes to happiness. Give back to others. Acts of kindness and helping others can provide a sense of purpose and increase your own happiness. It's always a very good idea. If you want to make yourself happy, try doing something for others. The amount of happiness that it gives an individual, you can never count. Get enough sleep. Rest is essential for both physical and mental well-being. A good night's sleep can greatly improve your mood and outlook. Stop fiddling with your phone, switch it off and keep it aside when you're in bed. Laugh often. Whether through funny movies, jokes, or spending time with friends, laughter is a natural mood booster and can help release stress. Follow these 10 pointers that I have told, and you are sure to be positive and happy all throughout.